Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the fuel fill kit for service body applications, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 4.10 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timings fee and the emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.